So this is my perception of time. Like if we are starting our life from here, we are born in, let's say, 1994, and we live up to, let's say our average person lives around for 70 years. That accounts for 2064. Let's say we live for 2640 years, right? So this is the time. Let's make a graph. So why am I trying to predict all this? Why I'm trying to help you understand about this? Is basically the way you view time. So this is time. This is whatever you do. And why we are measuring it? Because productivity is function of whatever you do. We can call it as work, right? So while we are, let's say, watching an Instagram video and our life is passing, we need to understand that our life is passing, right? You can relate it from starting from the year of your birth and up to death. This is how your life is passing. Let's say you are watching an Instagram video. It will start from here, right? We can't say it's not productive. It makes you feel happy. So of course it starts from here, but it's not productive. It's just like, let's even categorize this scale as well. This scale is up to here, it's happy, and here it's productive, here it's life changing, right? So let's say you're watching Instagram video. Now you are just going on to the happy scale. It doesn't make any difference whatever you do, right? Your time is still passing, right? But whenever you go to a productivity scale, right, you are not on the same level, you are on a different level, right? And now your time starts, because this is a thin line, that's called the impact point, where your lives actually starts making an impact, right? You're watching an Instagram and you might be feeling happy for some time, but after some time you might feel depressed and the scale will go down, right? As soon as you start doing something productive, now you have to just keep doing productive and the scale will automatically go up if you don't waste your time into other activities, and it will automatically be into life changing. Now this graph is not a straight line, it's this function. It works like this. Now why it doesn't grow immediately is because here you need to align self-discipline. You need a very sharp focus in this area. Only then your life can be a life changing. And rather than doing something unhappy, right? Because even if you're doing something unhappy and if it's not productive, your life is going down. So you have to always focus upon doing something more happy and productive. Of course, when you go to a life-changing thing, the happiness score is always affected, because you are happy as well. You already have surpassed the happiness. You will get happiness, you will get productiveness, and of course a life-changing. That's what we always work for. And by life-changing I mean whatever you have defined it for yourself. So that's all I meant to explain, that how I perceive my time as compared to what activities I do. Thank you.